Hey everybody, it's Jay Ball, Blue Jays Outdoors. Hope you guys are having an awesome day. Thanks so much for tuning in. I've got a really interesting unboxing that I'm gonna do for you for this video. And I got a package in the mail from Motion Fishing, and the team over at Motion Fishing had reached out to me, said, hey Jay, we really like your content, like what you're doing for the industry, helping trying to share education. Hey, can we send you a few baits? And when Motion Fishing asks if they can send you a few baits, you say yes. So big shout out to the Motion Fishing team for sending me this package. Not sure what's in it. They know that I'm obsessed with pink. So without further ado, let's cut this package open and let's see what the team at Motion Fishing has sent me / made for me. So this will be my first time using or just seeing, having anything Motion Fishing in general. I got a lot of respect for that team, that they do a really good job. They make a lot of awesome lures. So pretty excited to see what is in the bag. So let's first see what's in the slip here. And it says Motion Fishing, hope you catch some tanks on these, #CatchMoFish. So really big shout out to the Motion Fishing team. And once you know it, here are some pink Senkos. Check these things out. Look at how awesome those are. I mean, those are pink, guys. Like, these are my kind of Senkos here. Check that out. Looks like about a 5-inch Senko. Looks like it's salt cured, but man, that is really pretty. It's almost like a morning dawn pink. So yeah, we're definitely gonna tie some of these on, give these a try. And you guys are not gonna believe what they sent me. Check this out. They sent me a true pink and white bladed jig. Check that thing out, guys. Talk about awesome. That is so cool looking. I'm actually gonna tie this thing on tomorrow and use this. And then they actually gave me a brown football jig and a brown or pink and brown swim jig and a pink and brown football jig. Guys, I'm gonna tie these on right now. I'm gonna put this pink and brown swim jig on my swim jig rod, and I'm gonna change out my football jig and put this on. So yeah, let's go put these on some rods. But man, big shout out to the Motion Fishing team for sending me a pink football jig, a pink bladed jig, a pink swim jig, and then also some pink Senkos. So let's go ahead and tie these on right now, and we're gonna use these tomorrow. Stay tuned. All right, we are all rigged up for so the first thing I want to show you is the swim jig. So this is the swim jig that Motion Fishing Company had sent to me. So that's actually got a 3.3-inch paddle tail on it from Lure Lipstick. And guys, look at that color, that brown and that pink, man, that just looks awesome. Really excited to throw this. I'm actually gonna throw these tomorrow, so stay tuned for some fish catches, because this pink football jig is awesome. This is the very first pink football jig that I have. I paired this with the Rage Chunk. So this is a green pumpkin chunk that I dipped in pink Spike It dye to get those orange claws. So hopefully you guys can see that. We're looking forward to flinging this thing around the reeds in northern Michigan tomorrow. And last but not least is the very first true bladed swim jig that I will be throwing tomorrow. Now I have to dye all my swim jigs, or my bladed jigs, pink because they're all white. But yeah, check that out. So again, I paired that with that 3-inch or 3.3-inch paddle tail swim jig from Lure Lipstick. Really excited to give this thing a try. Really sharp hook, really stout hook. So I'm really excited. I've got these all set up on a Boo Garcia's the Virtus rods. I've got one on the Revo X, and then I've got another one on actually the Beast, and then I have another one on this Revo SX. So I'm using all 15 to 17 pound fluorocarbon for these 3 setups. Typically when I'm fishing the heavy reeds, I use my braid like you guys have seen. But yeah, just want to do a really quick short unboxing. Really excited to get these pink Motion Fishing Company lures out on northern Michigan tomorrow. So hope you guys enjoy this unboxing. Let me know if you guys use Motion Fishing products. Let me know if there's any other products I should try. If there's, really impressed so far with what they've sent me, but I would like to maybe order some stuff in the future. So leave your suggestions for any new products you guys want me to try out for Motion Fishing. Again, my name is Jay Ball of Blue Jays Outdoors. Thank you so much for your support. Channel's growing really good. I cannot thank you guys enough for all your help. Remember to follow me on Instagram. That's Blue Jays Outdoors. And then also on TikTok is Blue Jays Outdoors, and on Facebook is Blue Jays Outdoors as well. So again, cannot thank you guys enough for our support. Big shout out again to Motion Fishing Company. Thank you so much for sending me these products. They're going to get used tomorrow. And remember, the easiest way to change your attitude is by showing gratitude. Thanks, and we'll catch you in the water next time.